Good morning, class 9. We are studying second chapter of your chemistry book is matter around us pure, in which you studied that matter is of two types, pure matter, impure matter. Pure matter was divided into elements and compound, in which elements are subdivided into metals, non-metals and metalloid. Impure metals are of kind of mixture, and mixtures are of two kind, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, now we will study about the solutions, suspensions and colloids. Okay, so I have sent you the notes about the solution, and I think you have studied it in your previous classes as well, so no need to explain it really far, है ना? So we'll discuss. Solution is a mixture of solute and solvent. Solute is the substance which is present in the smaller amount in the solution, and solvent which is present in the higher amount. Solute is also called dispersed particle. Solute particles are also called dispersed particle. Solvent is also known as dispersion medium. Then there is aqueous solution. Aqueous solution in which the solvent is water. Like you have formed a salt water. You mixed 1 spoon of salt in 1 glass of water. So what is the solvent there? This is water. So that mixture, that solution is aqueous solution of salt. Non-aqueous solution in which the solvent is not water but other than water, any organic liquids, just like CCl4 is called carbon tetrachloride, CS2 carbon disulfide, C6H6 is benzene and alcohols, etc. These all are what are these? Non-aqueous solutions. Now when I'm saying solution here, it means true solution. Okay, so when I'm saying solution, that means true solution. That is why I have mentioned true in the bracket here. The true solution is a homogeneous mixture, basically two or of more substance. And what are the properties of true solution? How will you get to know whether the substance, whether the mixture, whether the solution is a true solution or not? So first of all, it is homogeneous. ठीक है? Particle size of a true solution, अगर हम ट्रू को एग्जाम भी कर दें, हम सॉल्यूशन भी बोल रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रू सॉल्यूशन. पार्टिकल साइज इज लेस देन 1 nm. nm here is nanometer, and 1 nanometer is equals to 10 to the power minus 9 meters. Third point is particles cannot be seen even with microscope. Just like you have prepared a salt water solution, है ना? So can you see the salt particles inside that solution? No, because the salt is completely mixed with the water, and that mixture is homogeneous. Yani every particle of the mixture is of same composition. Okay. Homogeneous, you can explain it one more type. अगर आप if you have prepared a one solution of salt water, or I would say sugar water, ठीक है ना, if you have mixed it well, then what will happen? If you take a spoon of that water from the top of the glass, or you have taken the spoon of the water from the bottom of the glass, the taste of the both water on the spoons will be same. That means the solution is homogeneous. Okay. True solution can pass through filter paper. That means it cannot be separated by filter paper. Again, we'll give you the example of salt water or sugar solution. Just like lemonade. Lemonade again is a true solution. If you filter that salt water from the filter paper, you will not see any kind of residue on the filter paper. Okay. Next is solution is very stable. That is, particles of the solute will not settle at the bottom on keeping. जो true solutions है, या जो solution है, that is very stable. If you have prepared a salt water and you keep that solution for 2 hours or 3 hours, so it will not happen कि जो salt है that will separate out from the solution. It is not going to happen. That means the solution is very stable. The particles of the solute will not settle at the bottom on keeping. Now, a true solution does not scatter light. Scattering of light is a different phenomena. Colloids show that, and true solution does not show scattering of light. Okay. Next are types of solutions. So, some of you were confused about the type because you have said ki in book it is given dilute and concentrated solution. So types of anything can be of different basis. So this type, basically, that's why I have mentioned it in the bracket here. On the basis of the physical state of solute and solvent. The solution of a solid in a solid. When solute and solvent both are the solids, alloys, metal alloys. Okay. Example I have given you, brass. Brass is an alloy of zinc and copper in which zinc present to 25 to 30%. Okay. Solid, solution of solid in a liquid. Solute is solid, solvent is liquid. ठीक है. Example that they have done salt solution, sugar solution. Tincture of iodine is basically is an antiseptic जिसमें iodine जो होता है, solid iodine is dissolved in alcohol and that tincture of iodine works as an antiseptic. Third is solution of liquid in a liquid, vinegar. Solution of a gas, if you make a lime water, that is also a liquid in liquid, because lemon juice is a liquid. You mix it with water, water is also a liquid. Okay. Solution of a gas in a liquid, when any gas is mixed, soda water और a carbonated drink, जो भी आप cold drinks लेते हैं, these all are solution of a gas in the liquid. Solution of gas in the gas. Air is the far best example of the mixture of gases in gases. Here nitrogen, you know that nitrogen is around more than 70% in the atmosphere. तो highest amount में nitrogen is present, तो nitrogen can be considered as solvent and other gases are